The CasingExpress buoyancy system from Canadian Casing Accessories is designed to help float casing to bottom in horizontal wells. The CasingExpress assembly is installed in the casing during the casing running sequence. Air is trapped in the casing below the CasingExpress sub, and fluid is added to the casing above the CasingExpress sub. This combination helps enable the casing string to float across the horizontal section of the wellbore, while the fluid in the vertical section of the casing, above the CasingExpress sub, adds additional downwards weight, enabling the casing string to reach bottom. With the casing string landed at depth, pressure is applied from surface to rupture the burst disc in the CasingExpress sub. Air is then circulated out of the system, and the wellbore is circulated clean and made ready for cementing operations. Cementing equipment is rigged in, and cementing operations commence. Cement is pumped through the ruptured CasingExpress assembly, hanging in the heel of the well, and out of the shoe track. Following the cement stage, the top displacement plug is released from the cement head. The top displacement plug latches into the CasingExpress assembly, which releases the assembly, and the complete assembly is pumped downhole and latches in the landing collar latch receptacle in the shoe track. Unlike the standard glass disc casing buoyancy systems, the CasingExpress buoyancy system from CCAI has the added benefit of effectively parking new cement wiping plugs downhole, which aid in eliminating cement stringers. Contact Canadian Casing Accessories today to learn more.